and welcome to my Microsoft formatting challenge. In this video, I'll show how I format the document using keyboard shortcut while telling you about myself. First step is we're going to open Microsoft Word, then add some documents and type your name. I will type my name. Now, let's format it. Control plus B to make it bold. Control plus U to underline it. Control plus E to center it on. I'll write a short paragraph about myself. Now, I format this paragraph, highlighting it and using Control plus U to underline it. Next, Control B to bold keywords. Control plus I to italize one sentence. I'll undo that with Control plus Z. Control plus Shift plus to increase the font size. Control plus J to justify the alignment. Next steps, I will write my skills and hobbies. I highlight the list and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to apply bullets. Next, inserting an image. Click Picture and select one. And left. And here's the bonus shortcut. Ctrl plus C to copy. Ctrl plus V to paste. Ctrl plus S to save the file. That's it, the Microsoft and Word formatting challenge. I hope you have learned and give idea of how to use formatting tools and keyboard shortcuts effectively.